In addition to an ALMA indicator with the default settings, we will add a second one using lower values to theoretically get closer and therefore better coverage of short-term trend changes. This second ALMA will be distinguished by a purple color to more easily identify bullish and bearish crossovers with the ALMA indicator in pink, which is on default settings. When the shorter term purple ALMA crosses under the baseline of the ALMA in pink on default settings, it signifies bearish sentiment increasing in the short term. And bullish sentiment is said to increase in the short term when the purple line crosses over the pink line. And for example, during these downswings, there is sustained bearish sentiment when the shorter term purple line stays under the longer term pink line. With quick and volatile retracements, this method of combining two ALMA indicators can to some degree help, for example, distinguish between a bullish retracement within a larger downtrend continuation and a more decisive long-term bullish reversal. By more quickly displaying these crossovers to identify trend changes more quickly than other moving average variations, and helping to filter out more, but definitely not all, market noise that comes from small insignificant movements.